Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Acer Aspire 3 A315 24PR7VH, a budget-friendly laptop aiming to deliver reliable performance for everyday tasks. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Design and build. The Acer Aspire 3 sports a sleek, minimalist design that's both lightweight and sturdy. The all-plastic build is typical for its price range, but it doesn't feel cheap. The lid's subtle Acer logo adds a touch of elegance, and the overall look is professional enough for any setting. It's easy to carry around, making it a great companion for students or professionals on the go. The keyboard is comfortable for typing, with good key travel and responsive feedback. The touchpad is smooth and accurate, supporting basic gestures for navigation. While it's not a replacement for a mouse, it gets the job done. Display. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is a pleasant surprise for a budget laptop. It offers decent color accuracy and viewing angles, making it suitable for watching movies, browsing the web, and even some light photo editing. However, don't expect it to match the color vibrancy of higher-end displays. Brightness levels are adequate for indoor use, but you might struggle in extremely bright environments. The bezels around the screen are noticeable but not overly distracting. Performance. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor, this laptop handles everyday tasks with ease. You can smoothly multitask between multiple tabs, run productivity software like Microsoft Office, and enjoy online streaming without lag. However, don't expect it to handle demanding applications like video editing or gaming. The 8GB LPDDR5 RAM is sufficient for most users, ensuring smooth multitasking. The 128GB NVMe SSD provides fast boot times and quick application loading, but you might need to invest in external storage or a larger SSD for extensive file storage. Battery life. Acer claims impressive battery life for the Aspire 3, and our tests confirm it. You can expect to get around 7 to 8 hours of moderate use on a single charge, which is excellent for a laptop in this price range. This makes it ideal for students or professionals who need to work on the go without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. Connectivity. The Aspire 3 offers a decent selection of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and a headphone jack. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast and reliable internet connectivity. While it lacks Thunderbolt 4 and other advanced features, it provides enough options for most users. Conclusion. The Acer Aspire 3, a A315 24PR7VH, is an excellent choice for students, budget-conscious professionals, or anyone seeking a reliable laptop for everyday tasks. It offers a solid combination of performance, battery life, and portability. While it's not a powerhouse, it delivers exceptional value for its price. If you're looking for a no-frills laptop that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the Aspire 3 is definitely worth considering.